it really hard. Yeah, 1, 2, come on. 3. Yeah. Bayad nera. 1, 2, 3. Uy. Kasa Sophie. 1, 2. Yeah. Galing ah. 1, 2, 3. Leo! Ah! 1, 2, 3! Yeah! Casa Sophie! 1, 2, 3! Okay! Go!
Tiene algo panza.
Kan jullie dit verstoren ze wel?
Oh, shut up.
Nee, dit is bijna eigenlijk.
So just remember, the bigger the balloon, the bigger your piñata will be, and the more candy you have to put inside. So just keep that in mind. Think right about this size. Make sure you have a bowl you can put your balloon into, and then we can paste the newspapers at the top and make the mache. So here we have a 1 part flour and 1 part water plus white glue. I just used a normal white glue, and this is what we are going to use to paste our newspaper to the balloon. And then I went ahead and cut up the newspaper into this size. So once you have your balloon covered, you have to do it again. But I think I will do about 4 to 5 layers more. I don't know if that's strong enough, but you can feel it, I guess. So this is 1 part flour, 1 part water, and then this white glue. I just put enough so I feel like it's sticky enough.
Men smagte det chicken nuggets egentlig i går.
Tør. Virkelig. Det er virkelig tør.
Det er utroligt mange, der kommer til en og spiser noget. Altså, jeg går lidt snart, just der går, synes jeg.
Nå, jamen sådan noget du kan lave derhjemme. Det er ikke noget særligt. Ja, Leonardo skal spise det hele.
Ja, jeg skal spise det hele.
Theo, ej, spis anak ko. Spis det hele. Så bliver du stærk og hurtig som Theo. Our egg dried up for about 2 days. I left it outside for 2 days and now it's really hard. So now it's ready to be painted. I am going to paint it with white and with some green spot. So this is how it looks after one coat, and you can see there are a lot of bumps because of the newspaper. And I read from Pinterest that they use tissue paper to smoothen it out. So if you are a perfectionist and you want a smooth egg, you can go ahead and put tissue paper before you paint it white. I don't really care. So I am just going to paint it straight away after the newspaper has dried out. I forgot to say that I already popped the balloon after everything has dried out, and I have taken it out and made this hole for the candy, but I am going to make a larger hole because this is not enough. I can't fit much in this one. I will be using a knife to open it more when it's dry. I think I will be giving this 2 to 3, maybe 3 coats of white paint and then the green one afterwards. So once I am satisfied with the color of my egg, I don't think I'm gonna get it much better than this. I don't have any more white paint left. I will go ahead and use the green paint to make the green dots. So now my egg looks like this after using the green paint. I tried to draw round ones and random brush strokes. Yeah, you get the point, right? When this dries, we will be putting the candy inside, and then for it to be hanging, I will use a screw with a ribbon. I will put this inside a hole and close that hole, and this will be hanging out so we can hang our egg. I will be using some sort of rope to hang it up. So now that our egg is dried up, I will be inserting the candies through this hole. This is where I also popped my balloon. I will be closing this hole up with some sort of tape, and then I will paper mache it back again to close the hole. That's too big. Ja, nu er du med på vloggen.
Ah, shit.
In, 2, 3, okay.